Hello everyone, I'm Ignacio Dominguez, CEO of ADAMA. Thank you for joining me in this review of our second quarter and first half results of 2022, together with our CFO, Shahar Florence. I'm happy to present yet another quarter of record sales as ADAMA continues to provide farmers with the solutions they need for feeding the world. Demand for crop protection products continues to be strong, driven by positive farmer fundamentals as crop commodity prices remain elevated. Alongside the strong demand, supply has been a cross-market challenge with uncertain availability of finished products and raw materials, as well as an inflationary price environment. Interference to the production of raw materials and intermediates due to COVID and decreased profitability in face of high energy prices, as well as logistic complications, have all contributed to the supply challenge that we have worked to mitigate by increasing inventories and seizing procurement opportunities. This is to ensure our commercial teams have the products farmers need. Our strong sales were driven by price increases to offset these rising costs as their impact translated into bottom line value. I'd like now to turn over to our CFO, Shahar Florence, who will provide more detail on the numbers.
Thank you, Ignacio. In the second quarter of 2022, our sales grew significantly by 25% in constant currency terms and 21% in US dollar terms, reaching approximately $1.5 billion. This was driven by a 22% increase in prices and further 3% growth in volumes. This growth was supported by the company's strong performance in all regions. Very good results were achieved in Latin America, led by Brazil, where ADAMA's innovative product continued to be well received in the market, and in Asia Pacific, led by China, where the company's raw materials, intermediates, and fine chemical sales, as well as our branded portfolio, continue to present strong sales. The company's adjusted EBITDA in the second quarter reached $240 million, 29% above the corresponding quarter in 2021, representing an improvement of EBITDA margins from 15.2% to 16.2%. This was achieved despite logistic, procurement, and production challenges, as well as the negative impact of the exchange rates. Adjusted net income in the second quarter grew 20% to $76 million, while our reported net income grew 36% to $46 million. In the half year, sales grew by 28% in constant currency terms and 24% in US dollar terms to almost $3 billion, driven by a 20% increase in prices and further 8% in volume. The company's adjusted EBITDA in the first half reached $441 million, 29% above the same period in 2021, representing an improvement of EBITDA margins from 14.7% to 15.2%. Adjusted net income in the first half grew 31% to $151 million, while our reported net income doubled and grew 100% to $113 million. Presenting these good results, I'm happy to return back to you, Ignacio.
Thank you, Shahar. We are very pleased with these results, and we're constantly working to ensure ADAMA's sustainable future growth. We believe that one of the key differentiators in the market will be product formulation. ADAMA has been investing in formulation technologies to deliver superior solutions with higher biological efficacy and better economics. This next generation of formulations will do a better job of controlling crop diseases, combat resistance, and increase food supply while requiring less crop protection active ingredients. This will reduce our product footprint on the environment and in the food chain. We have already begun launching such products. Our ascorbital formulation technology improves penetration efficiency and excellent systemic movement in the plant, and is only one example of how we address farmer needs with advanced products. ADAMA is also pioneering the importance of formulation by paving the path to educating the next generation of scientists at the ADAMA Center for Novel Delivery Systems in Crop Protection at Tel Aviv University, the first ever academic center for teaching active substance delivery and formulation. I am proud to share that we recently hosted the first Chemistry of Formulation conference, which confirmed the considerable interest in this important field. We recently published our 2021 ESG report, cementing our continuous commitment to high standards around transparency, sustainability, and social responsibility. As the world and our industry is changing, we are adapting to fight climate change, and our strong foundations will allow us to take a leap forward to continue ensuring food security for a growing population while protecting our environment. In closing, I would like to say thank you to our more than 9,000 employees in over 45 countries for their contribution to these results. It all starts with our people. I would also like to say thank you to our customers, investors, and partners for the trust they place in us. As we witness worldwide challenges, we remain committed to the simple task of feeding the world. Stay well and stay safe.